Hey dear trainees, today lecture about likes and dislikes. I mean, how we mention these likes and dislikes in our introduction when we are going to introduce ourselves, and how to start these all. This will be presented in these lectures. So let's start it. How to start? Don't start your conversation directly. For example, I dislike these, I like these. So this will not be good. For example, first you go for as a discourse marker and starting point of the talk, and then correlate these with the new generations, with the new generative words we are going to do. Clear? So first of all, just mention these all about likes and dislikes. For example, as a matter of fact, so there definitely I like something, I dislike some things like these. Then we mention the things which we dislike or which we like. For example, this is particularly patent in students' life, though I don't discuss reading, I prefer playing. So one man meat is another man poisons. For example, this one is a quotation. You should just mention these all to just make your conversation very effectively. So here, for example, the maybe and others man's dislikes, my love for the recitement of the Holy Qurans and the prayers like this. So this one is the sketch. You can use this sketch to just mention your things. For example, I like to meet my friends very often. I also like traveling by train. So likes and dislikes, it doesn't mean something which you like in food, in animals, in like others, but it has more worth in our language and our talk. So okay, by using these structures, you will be able to just produce these all things very well. I think so. So I keep a number of pictures of various poses of the some persons, same persons we can say. I mean, we just mentioned likes and dislikes in account to just describe the things which are closely to us and which are not closely to us. So, for example, I dislike that a plate. This one is the directly paragraph, no, the showing here. So when I sit down to study, I dislike the textbooks. Like these are the directly things we are going to just mention these all. So this one is about ourselves, mean how to just mention these all about our dislikes and dislikes. So come to the point how to ask from others. We can ask directly, do you like this, do you like this, but here should be like change in our talk to just make our conversation effective. For example, what would you like in food, what would you like in animal, what would you like in others, like these. So by using this factor, this will be for example will be the good to use these all instead of do you like, do you like, do you like. It's not good like this. Thank you.